How to get free hotel upgrades. Let's get started.
Good morning. Welcome to Holiday Hotel.
Morning, how are you doing?
I'm good. How may I help you?
I have a reservation under the name of Samson Chan.
Sure, let me check.
Thanks. It's such a sunny day today.
Hi, Mr. Chan. We have reserved a twin room for you for 2 nights.
Right.
The hotel package has included the complimentary breakfast and the free access of the fitness center.
That's looking good.
The breakfast buffet is served from 8 to 11 a.m. on the 3rd floor of the hotel.
It's nice. I love it.
Our checkout time is before 11 a.m. on the checkout date. May I know if you have any question?
I would like to maintain my workout routine at the fitness center. How can I get there?
It's on the top floor of the hotel. You can enjoy a spectacular sunset during exercising.
Really? Can't wait. Could you please also recommend me some local foods nearby?
Sure. I've a suggestion for you. It only takes you 10-minute walk to the nearest hawker center.
Is it worth to visit at night?
Definitely. You can try some of the signature dishes from the stalls. They are foreigner-friendly.
It sounds great. Thanks for the useful information.
You're welcome. May I have your credit card for the deposit charge?
Sure. This is my card. Could you please also arrange a larger room for me?
Thank you. A moment, please.
That's very kind of you.
Hi, Mr. Chan. Thanks for your patience. As the hotel is fully booked today, we cannot upgrade the room for you. We are sorry for that.
It doesn't matter.
Do you mind switching room during the middle of your stay?
No, I don't.
We may be able to upgrade your room to a suite tomorrow.
It's awesome. That would be good news.
We'll let you know after confirming the room availability tomorrow noon.
I appreciate it.
Here is your key. Your room is on the 15th floor. You may take an elevator on your left.
Many thanks.
I'm happy to help. Good afternoon. This is Happy Hotel. Thanks for calling. What can I assist you with?
Hello, I've booked a room through your hotel's website.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Albert Wong.
Okay, please wait for a moment.
No problem.
Hi, Mr. Wong. According to our record, we have reserved a room with king bed for you. You will stay at our hotel for 5 days in the end of next month.
Right.
Is there something I can do for you?
I forgot to leave a remark about my request during booking. Would you please help on this?
Yes. Please let me know.
The purpose of the stay is to celebrate my girlfriend's birthday. Could you please arrange a room with a sea view on a higher floor?
Wow, it's a special day of your girlfriend. Let me check for you.
I appreciate your assistance.
Hi, Mr. Wong. Thanks for your support of our hotel. As you are our member of the Loyalty Club, we currently have a free room upgrade offer.
Oh really? How's that?
Yes. Your accumulated points have already met our requirement. We can upgrade your room to a penthouse room, with a sea view.
Brilliant. I can't believe it. Are you kidding me?
To express our gratitude, we will also decorate your room with a bottle of wine and a box of chocolate.
I'm beyond grateful. Thank you for taking the time to do this.
It's our pleasure to offer you and your girlfriend more luxurious and memorable experiences.
Thank you kindly.
Good morning. Thank you for calling Happy Hotel. How may I help you?
Hello, I would like to confirm the room booking based on your previous offer.
Certainly. May I have your name, please?
My name is Susan Lee. The quotation reference is 1234.
Thanks for the information. Give me a moment, please.
All right.
Hi, Ms. Lee, the offer is still valid. We can book the room for you now.
May I have your check, if the package can include additional massage treatment and a private balcony?
Please wait for a moment. I'll check with my manager.
As your hotel officially opened 3 months ago, it would be good to have more positive reviews in the social media platforms. I'm quite active in those platforms. If your service is excellent, my sharing can impress more customers to experience your hotel.
You're right. We are confident with our customer service and quality of amenities.
Having more online exposure is essential to your brand building. Could you please consider my request?
I got your point. Please hold the line, please.
Sure. I appreciate your assistance.
Hi, Ms. Lee, thank you for bearing with us. We are pleased to upgrade your room to a superior room, with a private balcony. The free massage treatment has also been included in the package.
It's fabulous. Thank you for considering this.
I hope you've a wonderful stay with us. We are committed to exceeding customer expectation.
Definitely. Would you please confirm my booking now?
Yes. Thank you for choosing our hotel. May I have your credit card number?
Sure. Much appreciated.